in today's world, there are 100 different things that could pull you away from being productive, and I know you feel it too. If you are struggling with staying more focused or having long periods of sustained work, then I'm going to show you 3 apps to help me to become more productive and stay more focused. And the best part is that these apps are completely free of charge, so you don't even have to spend any money on it. There are paid versions and subscriptions for some of these apps, but I don't really use the paid versions, and you don't have to either. App number 1 is going to be Opal. If you don't have the discipline to stop yourself from picking up your phone and doom scrolling TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, then that's totally fine because this app does it for you. Opal is a screen time app that monitors your app usage, and it can also block you from using apps once it reaches a certain time limit. I have it set to 15 minutes on TikTok, so every 15 minutes of me using TikTok, I'll get blocked by Opal, and how long the apps get blocked for totally depends on you, so you have full control over which apps you want to block and for how long. And this is great because it helps you to become more aware of how you're wasting your time, and once the app is blocked and you know like you're supposed to be doing work, then naturally you would be more inclined to put your phone down and get to work. And the best part about this app is that you only have to set it once and you can kind of forget about it and just let the app do its thing, and you can reap the benefit. App number 2, and this is my favorite app of all time, is going to be Notion. Notion is more than a cross-platform note-taking app. What I really like about Notion is that I can use it across all devices, and it is really accessible. All I really need is an internet connection, and I'm pretty much good to go. And plus, this is literally the most advanced note-taking app out there with thousands of bells and whistles. And one of my favorite features in Notion is that you can build in pages. It is really easy to structure your thoughts and build visual compartments. And another thing I did with Notion is I built a finance tracker on it. So I just have to key in the amount I earned or the amount I spent, and the total will be calculated at the bottom. So it is really easy for me to kind of document how much I make and how much I earn, so I can kind of manage my finances a little better. And I know that there are a bunch of third-party apps and plugins and flow sheets and templates that you could also utilize in Notion and really make full use of the app. But personally, I've barely even scratched the surface of what you can actually do with this app. And yeah, if you guys want a beginner tutorial on how to use Notion, then let me know and I'll make a video about it. Final app that I use to help me stay productive and get some proper work done, and this one is going to be an iPhone exclusive. So in the reminders app, you could set schedules and calendars and to-do list. So personally, I only use the to-do list section of this app because my plans usually change every single day depending on how much sales I get, and if anybody wants to hang out, then I kind of adjust my plans accordingly. Yeah, but in the day itself, when I wake up or in the afternoon, I would have a pretty rough idea of what I have to do for the day. So I kind of write everything down on my to-do list on the reminders app. And it is also really satisfying to kind of clear something on that list, so I could visually see how much work I got done for the day and how much I accomplished, which kind of helps me to feel really good about myself. So it kind of adds like a gaming element to my productivity, and it also helps to feed into my motivation. It's once I get something done, I feel good, I want to get more things done on that list, and once the day ends and it's completed and there's a lot of stuff on the list is done, then damn, like that is one of the best feelings in the world. And yeah, you just do the same thing every single day. Now, what I really like about the iPhone's reminder app compared to other third-party apps out there is that I could add the reminders, I could add the to-do list widget on my iPhone home screen, so that way every time I look at my phone, I would constantly be reminded that I got stuff to do. So if it's like 3 p.m. and I haven't gotten shit done for the day, so all I need to do is just take a look at my phone, and I know exactly what I need to do for the day. Instead of being completely clueless and kind of figuring out what I should do for today, what kind of work I can get done and things like that. So yeah, these are the only 3 apps that I use to help me stay more productive and focused throughout the day. And if you've never used any of these apps before, it might be really difficult to get into it because you gotta learn how to use it. But I promise you, if you take 1 to 3 days to kind of set everything up and also make it a habit to set reminders or take down notes and plan and strategize with Notion, then over time it's going to be a habit and it's going to become second nature to you. But once you're at that stage, I promise you, you're going to be so much more productive, and you're not going to be one of those people that says they're going to do something but don't actually do them. So good luck out there. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and if you want to find out how you could be more productive and overcome procrastination, check out this video over here. The video is a little bit old, so it might be a little bit cringe to watch, but the information is pretty freaking valid. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and peace.